Dear viewers, how are you? I hope you will be safe and sound. This is your on YouTube channel. That name is Teacher Narasif. It's very famous YouTube channel. I have launched this channel for you understands because I want to see your English high levels. I hope you will get much from my channels. You will seek English day by day because these are very important lectures. These are very essential lectures for you. I hope you will like, share, and subscribe my all videos because these are very important videos for you. You will not waste your times and you will pay your full attention on your studies, especially English and all subjects also, and you will pay full attention on my lectures day by day. Thanks. Today my topic is Jummah Mubarak. I want to explain you that it's a very important day in the history of the Muslims. Jummah Mubarak. This is the day of Eid for the Muslims who are poor persons who have no money uh, to visit Hajj and Umrah. So this is the important hadith of our Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Those people who have no money in their pockets, but after 1 week they will offer Jummah prayer and God will give them regard of Hajj and Umrah. So I hope you will pay your full attention and you will offer the Jummah prayers in the masjids after 1 week, and you will pay on your children's studies, Islamic studies, and they will recite the Holy Qurans daily, and they will offer the 5 times prayers in a day, and they will offer Jummah prayers in the masjid because it's very important day for us. Because I want to tell you that this world will be uh, uh, finished one day, but our good deeds will be alive forever in this world and the next world. If we will do good deeds, so our God will be happy at the day of the judgment, and our good deeds will be the source of pleasures for us, and our good deeds will be the source of uh, Jantul Fardos for the whole Muslims of the world. So I hope you will get much from my message because this message is very important for the Muslims of the world, especially the Muslims of Pakistan. And finally, I want to request you that please pray for the people of the Palestine, Makuda, Kashmir, Iran, especially Pakistan. Please pray for the free Palestine. Please pray for the free Makuda, Kashmir. Please pray for the people of the Gaza because they are in trouble. Now they need our prayers for all the times because their children are dying with hunger. They have no food. They have no uh, meals to eat. They have no medicine to take. So I hope you will do that, especially at the time of the Hajj. Jazakallah.